Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Honda Pilot key fob. First, gather every key fob you want to program, even the ones that already work. It is crucial to ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged for a smooth process. Then, get into the driver's seat, making sure all the doors are closed and unlocked. This initial setup is vital for successful programming. Now let's get your vehicle into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Within 4 seconds, press the lock button on your first key fob. Immediately turn the key back to the off position. You will need to repeat this on, lock, off sequence a total of 3 more times. This precise timing is key. Great, you're almost there. After completing the 4th off cycle, turn the key to the on position one last time and press the lock button on the first key fob again. You should hear the door lock cycle, which confirms your vehicle is now in programming mode. For any additional key fobs, simply press the lock button on each one within 10 seconds to program them. To complete the process and exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the off position. Then, remove the key from the ignition. Now for the exciting part. Test every single key fob you just programmed. Walk around your vehicle and confirm that each one successfully locks and unlocks the doors. If they all work, you've done a fantastic job.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.